Get a feel for the 2019 Ram 1500. This vehicle still has fewer than 70,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Ram 1500 delivers gritty towing capability, passenger-focused comfort and safety features, and surprising fuel efficiency. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, 4x4, fog lamps, backup camera, remote engine start, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, dual zone AC, blind spot monitor. Relax and enjoy getting the job done right in the strong and dependable Ram 1500. Come in for a test drive.